A good way to ensure that all of the tobacco in the bowl is receiving around the same amount of heat is to create a heat well, which is really easy to do. You'll see in this pack that the tobacco comes straight across and is nice and even around the ring. Once you get to this point in the pack, you can take a poker or the back of an oyster fork and just gently press down on the outside of the bowl. You don't necessarily want to create a very large well, and you're not pushing down so hard that it necessarily becomes a dense pack on the outside. You just want to create a small indentation, as you can see right there. And you want to do that for the entirety of the bowl. So the shape of the tobacco is actually going to be more of a curve than straight across. And what that does is when you aren't hitting the hookah, the heat is going to be coming down and it's going to be resting on the outside. So then when you hit the bowl, that heat gets pulled across all of the tobacco, and then you end up getting a much more evenly distributed heat throughout the bowl as you're smoking.